The Yamaha R9 is a thrilling fusion of cutting-edge technology and aggressive sport bike design, engineered to dominate both the street and the track. Its sleek, aerodynamic bodywork is crafted for maximum speed and agility, featuring sharp lines and a compact frame that cuts through the air with ease. Every curve and contour is optimized for performance, giving the R9 a striking presence that demands attention wherever it roars by. Underneath its aggressive exterior lies a powerful engine, built for exhilarating acceleration and precise control. The R9's high-revving inline-four engine delivers a perfect balance of raw power and smooth responsiveness, making it ideal for riders who crave adrenaline-fueled rides. Advanced electronics, including traction control and quick-shift systems, ensure the rider stays in command, whether carving tight corners or blasting down streets. The Yamaha R9 also boasts state-of-the-art suspension and braking components, engineered to provide exceptional handling and safety at high speeds. Its lightweight, chassis, and adjustable suspension settings allow riders to fine-tune the bike's dynamics to their riding style, enhancing confidence and control. Premium brakes deliver reliable stopping power, crucial for both street riding and competitive racing. Inside the cockpit, the R9 combines functionality with futuristic design. A digital instrument cluster provides clear, real-time data on speed, RPM, and gear position, while ergonomic handlebars and seat design offer comfort during intense rides. With its blend of performance, technology, and style, the Yamaha R9 is a true masterpiece built to excite riders and elevate the sport bike experience.